Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to manage font size, color and background on the twitter.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that click on the More button in the left side column, then tap on Settings and Support and Settings and Privacy. After that click on Accessibility, Display and Languages in the middle of the screen and click on Display, which is the second button. Here you can select the font size on this scale. Here you can see how it looks like at the top of the screen. So tap on the relevant button or the relevant level that you prefer. Here you can see it is ranging from extra small to extra large, and then you can also select the color. Here you can see how it looks like. After that you can check out the background. So this is the default option, dim and lights out. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.